What's up, guys? Man, it's been hot out here. Our compressor not working on the AC, so I gotta have that. So I decided to see if I can swap that out today. I got my new one right here. Bought it off the internet, $100. So I'm gonna go ahead and start taking the old one off. I think I just gotta take the belt off. Got 3 bolts in the front. Take those out. Got my wire connector right here. Take it off. And take the line off the back. Should be all. Shouldn't have any much freon in it, cause the compressor been leaking. Got a bad seal, so got to get that right. Using number 13 socket to put on the tensioner to take the belt off. Alright, so I got the belt off. I think I'm gonna go and put a new belt on it while I got it off. I gotta try to get to these bolts. Right there, 13 also. Go ahead and disconnect the wire and take the hose off the back first though. Alright, so I got the line loose. And I got a bracket on the back of it that I gotta get out. Got 3 bolts on the back of the compressor that attaches it to the bracket. I'm gonna try to take the bracket off the block. Alright, so I let the car up in the air to get this bolt. Get the screw out the back of the compressor here. It's on that bracket. I decided to go ahead and take the 3 bolts out the bracket and leave the bracket on the block. Now while I got it up, I'm gonna go ahead and take this bolt loose right here on the front. Alright, so now I get these 2 bolts off the front. It should fall out of there. Alright, so the new compressor already pre-filled with 8 ounces of oil. So that's why this is on here. I'm gonna leave this on until I'm gonna take it off. See if I need to use this bolt or take this stud out here and use it. I'm gonna put this back on while I'm putting it in so my oil won't come out. Alright, so I'm gonna get ready to slide the new one in place. I'm just stick my bolts in the front. I'm not gonna tighten them up yet until I get the bolts in the back end. Alright guys, so I got all my bolts hooked up. 2 on the front, the 3 on the front, the 2 bracket bolts and the shield bolt on the back. All I gotta do now is hook my line back up. Alright guys, so I got the compressor on. Line hooked up in the back. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put my new radiator hose on. Let it up, drain the water out of it. Alright guys, so I had to come to Curtis shop and get my AC charged up. See, I got my new hoses on. About to be rise.